Hello everyone, my name is Theis, and I'm the creator of the browser extension Voice Control for ChatGPT. Today I want to address a common question I receive: how to install more voices for the extension. In this video I'll guide you through the process on Windows. While I'll focus on voice control for ChatGPT, the procedure I'll demonstrate can actually be used for any browser application that utilizes the browser's native text-to-speech features. Let's get started. So here we see ChatGPT with the extension installed below. There's a language selector, and the languages you see here are actually the voices installed in Chrome. But I would like to expand this list with Australian English. So to do that, I'm going to click the Windows icon and I'm going to search for speech settings. It's appearing right here. I'm going to scroll down until I find Manage Voices. I'm going to click Add Voices, and here you can see the different languages I can choose between, and I'm going to write English here, and it's appearing right here, Australia. I'm going to click it and press Add. It's going to take a few minutes to install. And while it's doing that, I'll just quickly mention that the extension actually also works in Microsoft Edge. And Microsoft Edge actually has its own set of voices, and it actually has more voices than Chrome, and they're also pretty high quality. So this is actually a pretty good alternative for using the extension with the Edge instead. But anyway, we can still install our own voices here for Chrome as well. I'm going to see if it's done. Yes, now it is. So I'm going to go back to Chrome, but you will quickly see that it's not appearing in the list yet. And that's because I need to do two things. First, I need to close down Chrome, and then I'm going to reopen it. And I have a shortcut here that will open it in Chrome, ChatGPT in Chrome here. You will see it's still not in the list because I need to do one more thing, and that is to hard refresh the browser. And I do that by pressing Ctrl F5 on the keyboard or Ctrl R. And this, now you can see Australian English installed here. I can go to the settings, and you will see I have two new voices here, Catherine and James. And this is actually it. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you encounter any difficulties, please feel free to leave a comment or contact me on support@voicecontrol.chat. And don't forget to check out the extension as well as some of my other projects listed in the video description. Thank you for watching.